Okay. We will see another examples on controllability and observability. Check controllability and observability of a given system x dot it is equals to 0 1 0 0 0 1 and 0 minus 2 minus 3 multiplied by x1 x2 x3 plus 0 0 1 0 0 1 multiplied by q, and y it is equals to 10 0 0 10 0 0 multiplied by x1 x2 x3 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 minus 2 minus 3 0 0 1 10 0 0, and these are my system, and we have to check the controllability and the observability of the system. Now first we will see the solution for this one. What will be the solution? Now first we will draw controllability matrix MC. It is equals to A is 3 by 3 matrix, so we have B dot AB dot A square B. The third one will be there. B will, as it is, only A will gets multiplied. So here is the A into A, that is A square. In the next one will be the A cube into B, like this one. So here we have a maximum 3 by 3 matrix, and so we will have B into AB into A square B. Now B is known. B is 0 0 1 and A is 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 minus 2 minus 3, and this is my C. Now see here, otherwise I will write down here A it is equals to 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 minus 2 minus 3. B it is equals to what? 0 0 1, and C it is equals to what? 10 0 0. So these are the matrix. Now see here, if we look at this one given equation, x dot it is equals to this one and y it is equals to this one. Now see here, this is in a controllable canonical form. All these are in the diagonally 1 1 1, and only the last row is having all the elements. Okay, so this is my diagonal form, canonical diagonal form. Here is the 0 0 0, and the last element of the B is 1, and here the first element of the C is having some value, and all other elements are 0 0 0. So this is my canonical diagonal form. So, okay, now we will find out controllability matrix. MC it is equals to C AB into A square B. Now B is known, A is known. So first we will find out AB. AB it is equals to A is 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 minus 2 minus 3 multiplied by what is this? 0 0 1. It is equals to now first row, first column, 0 into 0 1 into 0 0 into 0 0 into 1. So the first is 0. Now this 0 0 0 into 0 0 into 0 1 into 1. So we have 1 here. Now this 0 0 into 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0 minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. So this is my AB. This is 0 into 0, 1 into 0, 0 into 1, that is 0. So 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0, that is 0, 1 into 1, that is 1. So here we have 1. 0 into 0, that is 0, minus 2 into 0 is 0, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, so we have minus 3 here. So this is my matrix A into B. Now first we will find out the A into B matrix. A into B matrix. A square matrix. A square, it is equals to what? A into A, it is equals to 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 minus 2 minus 3, and here it is 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 minus 2 minus 3. So A square, it is equals to how much? Okay, now first row, first column, so all these are 0, so here we will have 0. So this is 1. So 0 into 1, that is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 2, that is 0. So here is the 0. So here is the 0, here is the 1, and here is the minus 3. So 1 into 1, so here is 1. So here is 1. Now this is 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 1 into 0, that is 0. So we will have 0 here. 0 into 0, 0 into 0, and 1 into minus 2. So this becomes minus 2. Now 0 into 0, 0 into 1, that is 0, and 1 into minus 3. So this becomes minus 3. Now this 0 into 0, minus 2 into 0, minus 3 into 0. So this becomes 0. Okay. Now 0 into 0, minus 2 into 0, minus 3 into minus 2, that is plus 6. Okay. 0 into 0, minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 9. Minus 2 plus 9, that means 7. Minus 2 plus 9, that is 7. See once again. 0 into 0, 1 into 0, 0 into 0, 0. 0, 0 into 1, that is 0, 1 into 0, that is 0 into 0. So here is the 0. 0 into 0, 1 into 1 and 0. So here is the 1. 0, these two 0, and this is 0. So here is the 0. Here is the 0. 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2. These two are the 0, so these two are 0, and 1 into minus 3. So here is minus 3. 0 into 0, minus 2. This is 0. Okay. 0 into 0, 0 into 0, minus 2 into minus 3, minus 2 into minus 3, that is plus 6. Okay. 0 into 0, minus 2 and plus 9, that is 7. Okay. A square is 7. So now we will find out A square B. A square B is 0 0 1 0 minus 2 minus 3 0 6 and 7. Zero and B is how much? B is 0 0 1. B is 0 0 1. So it is equals to, this is 0 0 1. So here is the 1. These two are the 0 0. This is minus 3. So this becomes minus 3. This is 0. This is 0, and this is 7. So here is the 7. So here is the 7. Now we will write down M0. M0, it is equals to B dot AB dot A square B. It is equals to B. B is 0 0 1. So 0 0 1. AB. AB is 0 1 minus 3, and a square b is 1 minus 3 and 7. Okay. Now see here, b, ab and a square b, this is 0, this is 0, so 1 multiply, if we find out the determinant of this one, determinant of this one, this is 0, so this is 0, this is 0, so this is minus 0, and this is plus 1 multiplied by 0 into minus 3 minus 1 into 1, so it is equals to minus 1, which is not equals to 0, which is not equals to 0. So my system is controllable. So my system is controllable. Here it is coming minus 1, here it is coming minus 1, so my system is controllable and hence it is stabilizable. The rank of matrix is 3. The matrix rank is 3, so that hence system is fully controllable. Hence the system is controllable and stabilizable also, because it is controllable, so we can say that the system is stabilizable. If the system is controllable, then automatically it is a stabilizable. So that first part that we have calculated. Now we will find out the observability. Now second, observability, this we have to find out. Observability matrix. In the observability matrix, that is MO, it is equals to, here is the MC, here is MC, this is MC, and here is also MC, that is controllability matrix, and observability matrix, that is MO, it is equals to C transpose, then it is A transpose, C transpose, then it is A transpose square and C transpose and C transpose. So this we have to find out. Now see here, the C we know, that is 10 0 0, 10 0 0, so C it is equals to 10 0 0, so C transpose it is equals to 10 0 0. This is my matrix, C transpose matrix. Now this matrix we have calculated. Now we will find out the A transpose. A transpose it is equals to what? Now see here, this is my A transpose, this is 0 1 0, so we will get converted into this 0 1 0 is a row, so we will convert it into column 0 1 0. This is one. Second is 0 0 1, we will convert it into row 0 0 1. This row will get converted into column. Then third row is what? 0 minus 2 minus 3, 0 minus 2 minus 3. This is my third column. So this is my A transpose. This is my A transpose. Now A transpose is known, C transpose is known, so we can calculate A transpose, C transpose. So A transpose, C transpose, it is equals to 0 1 0, 0 0 1, 0 minus 2 minus 3. This is my value of the A, and this is 10 0 0. This is 10 0 0. Now it is equals to, now we will find all these are 0, and if we multiply this, all first row is 0 0, and if we multiply to this column, naturally my first value becomes 0. My first value becomes, because 0 multiplied by 10, that is 0, 0 into 0, that is 0, 0 into 0, that is 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, it is equals to 0. Now 1 into 10, that is 10. 0 into 0, minus 2 into 0. So 1 into 10, that is 10. That is 10. Now see here. Here is the 0. Here is the 0. Here is the 0. So we have 0 here. So we have 0 here. So this is my A transpose C transpose. So this is my A transpose C transpose. Now we know the A transpose. Here what we required? A transpose square. So A transpose square, it is equals to A transpose into A transpose. It is equals to, what is A transpose? 0 0 0, 1 0 minus 2 and 0 1 minus 3 multiplied by 0 0 0, 1 0 minus 2, 0 1 minus 3, 0 1 minus 3. So this is my A transpose into A transpose. Now we will find out A transpose square. It is equals to A transpose square. Now this 0 multiplied by this one. So this becomes 0. Now this multiplied by this. So again here is the 0. This again multiplied by here. So this again is 0. Okay. Now this is 1 into 0, 0 into 0, minus 2 into 0. So again here we have 0. So 1 into 0, 0 into 0, minus 2 into 1. So this becomes minus 2. So now see here. 1 into 0, that is 0. 0 into 2 minus 2, that is 0. Minus 2 into minus 3, that is 6. So we have 6 here. So we have 6 here. So 0 into So 0 into 0, 1 into 1, that is 1, and minus 3 into 0. So here is 1. 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 1 into 0, minus 3 into 1. So this becomes minus 3. 0 into 0, 1 into minus 2. So that becomes minus 2. Minus 2 and plus 9. Minus 2 plus 9, that means 7. So here is 7. So here is 7. See here. A square कितना आया था? 0 0 0 0 0 minus 2 minus 6. इसका हम लोग उल्टा ले लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? ट्रांसपोज ना. ए स्क्वायर का अगर हम लोग ट्रांसपोज ले लेते हैं, सो दिस बिकम्स व्हाट? दिस वन. This one. So this is, but anyway we will calculate like this one. First we find out the A transpose, then find out the A transpose square. The simple way. So this is my A transpose square. Now we know A transpose square. So we have to find out the A transpose square, C transpose. So now we will write down A transpose whole square multiplied by C transpose. It is equals to A transpose is 0 0 0 0 minus 2. And here is 6, 1 minus 3 and 7 multiplied by C transpose. C transpose is 10 0 0, 10 0 0. So A transpose square, C transpose, it is equal to, multiply this one. All these are 0. So my first element will be 0. My first element will be 0. 0 into 10 0, 0 into 0, 0 into 0. So all are 0. Addition of the 0 is 0. 0 into 10 is 0. Minus 2 into 0, 0 into 0. So this becomes 0. 1 into 10, that is 10. Minus 3 into 0, minus 7 into 0. So here is the only 10. Here is the only 10. So A transpose square, C transpose, it is equals to 0 0 10. Now we will write down the observation matrix, observability matrix. That is M0, it is equals to C transpose, A transpose, C transpose, then A transpose square, C transpose, it is equals to C transpose, it is 10 0 0. Then A transpose, C transpose, it is equals to 0 10 0. And A square, A transpose square, C transpose is 0 0 10. Okay, it is equals to 10. Now see here, it is a diagonal matrix. It is a diagonal matrix. In the diagonal form there is a value of 10 10 10 10 10 10. M0, magnitude of M0, it is equals to 10. See here, 10 multiplied by, here we can find out, this is 10 multiplied by 10 into 10, and all are 0, plus 0 plus 0, this is, so it is equals to 10 into 10 100, that is 1000. System matrix rank, matrix rank is 3, hence system is fully observable and hence detectable. Also, my system is observable as well as detectable, because my system is observable, because my rank value is equals to 3, because it is a 3 by 3 matrix, so my rank is 3 and rank is 3, and hence my system is observable, so that it is detectable also. It is detectable also.